Normal, a low sperm count. For agiospermic patient, they have this Y chromosome deletion, semen analysis. So there are certain conditions which can be linked. Now the children will also carry that, which can be treated with counseling and with some medicines. Now counseling, these are the health conditions that has led to the low sperm count. So as a gynecologist, we tend to avoid doing testicular examination.
In Kenya, for a long time, people said that we are still dealing with infectious diseases, what are known as communicable diseases. Now people have gone to non-communicable. We talk about cancers, we talk about tests and everything else. So one of the key things we are trying to push for is that let reproductive health also come to the front line. Can we have SHA? Can we have other insurances also covering?
By creating such awareness, not in the forum by doing a continuous medical education component, but also doing the awareness talk in different forums, so that people and the population can understand, okay, there is no stigma, yes, there is a problem, but it can be sorted.